this series of videos, I'm going to show you how to build an application that stores data to a Tulip table and then reads it back in an application interface. So without further ado, let me just show you exactly what it is that we're going to build, and then we can get started building it. So I'm going to move into the player right now, and I'll give you instructions on how to download that in the text above this video. For right now, I'm just going to click begin, and we'll look exactly at what we're going to do with this application. So I'll hit begin, and I'll bring up this interface right here. So we can see we have two grids, an enter text grid and a view entered text grid on the right. So on the left, we're going to enter text, and on the right, we're going to see exactly what that text is. Right now, we just have some basic information read out on the left, so the current logged in user and the time elapsed since the last entry. So I'm going to use this text enter field right here just to type in my text, and when I click save text to table, you should see it update in this column on the right. Great. So there we go. The application is doing exactly as it should, where we have an ID field for this enter text, the text itself, who entered it, and the time between entries. So I can try it again. So second entry, you'll see a new row added to the table. So in this version of the application, we're just simply storing text, but you can imagine all of the kinds of data you can store using this sort of simple entry methodology, and how many applications that this could fulfill in a manufacturing or frontline operations setting. So without further ado, let's jump in and start building.